Hey, you know what I'm saying? It's retarded right now. Hold on, I need to get some motivation. Hold on. Wa alaikum assalam. What are you doing, wife?
Cleaning, laundry, doing everything together.
Oh, I just was. What up, little nigga? Nice to see you. What your little pussy ass doing, boy? Nah, babe, I just had to call you and tell you that I love you and thank you for always speaking life into me, cause you my little baby.
I love you so much. I love you so much.
I am my baby. I'm in the middle of like performing right now, doing a live set, but I just had to call you and tell you that I love you.
I love you. You look amazing. Like, that view has nothing on you. That view's gorgeous. But man, you look incredible.
I love you, my baby. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
All right.